Up first this evening, a warning for parents to monitor the viewing habits of their children on the internet.
The warning was issued by the Education Ministry amidst concern about the Momo challenge children are currently engaging in.
It comes as officials in other countries raise concerns about Momo, a character symbolized by a woman with bulging eyes, appear in videos favored by children, telling them to even harm themselves.
TVJ's Dwayne Anderson has more in this report.
The high-level alert issued by the Ministry of Education Thursday is for parents to be vigilant in watching their children's internet usage, especially in light of the Momo challenge.
At night shall come when you are in bed. In the morning you will be dead.
It is a video of a grotesque Japanese puppet with bulging eyes known as Momo, circulating on social media platforms like WhatsApp. Worryingly, the self-harm video appears during popular children programs like Fortnite Game or Peppa Pig YouTube videos. It will ask your child sinister dares, culminating with a dare for them to kill themselves. And because the video specifically tells children not to tell their parents or adults about the program, it is critical that you monitor what they're watching. Momo videos will start out innocently before venturing into violent and offensive language.
Momo's going to kill you. Momo. Momo's going to kill you.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.